Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Michael Futures. Today we are talking about Bitcoin price movement, trends, analysis, news, indicators. I'm on TradingView currently. The price is $43,912. We are up 160% for the year. And I'm going to jump into the news. What do we have here? 2 reasons why analysts expect a Bitcoin spike in Bitcoin price volatility this week. One, the major news is that BlackRock expects favorable news from the financial regulators and a spot Bitcoin ETF by January 10th. And from what I understand, there was an amendment made to the deal that it is okay now. At first, Gensler, the chair, was against it, and he was the only one, and now he is good. BlackRock has made the amendment on January 5th to the SEC. In other news, Satoshi Nakamoto, who is the creator of Bitcoin, had $1 million moved to his wallet. So this is a big action, big price action. What's going on? A big movement. Either Satoshi woke up, bought 27 Bitcoin from Binance and deposited it into their wallet, or someone just burned $1 million. There may be some volatility ahead with the transaction hitting their highest level since June 12th, 2022. The Bitcoin whale activity erupted to its highest level since June as prices edged slightly down to 43,700. So yeah, we're facing a lot of resistance at 44,000, but overall, I mean, we're in preparation for the news of the ETF with BlackRock and the SEC, which is looking bullish. We'll look on the charts. We have good volume. We broke the 20-day moving average. The divergence is moving low, which you can see with the red is getting lighter, which means the selling pressure is dying down. We are in an uptrend. I'll draw a trend line. The trend is your friend. We are in an uptrend. The Elliott wave patterns. Some chart patterns. Now you can see here on the charts and the patterns, our bullish pennant projection is 49,000. This is on the daily time frame. We could do a Fibonacci. From the lowest point. If you guys don't know what the volume visible range is, On my right hand side is a visible range, and it's actually where this red line is, shows you where there's a lot of support. That is good. You actually, it wouldn't be like, oh, here's where the red line is, we're going down. It's the opposite. It's here's the support. I'm actually bullish that we're going up. If it was flipped, I would be bearish that the pressure would be down. So the visible range here shows a strong support at this level, at the 20,000 level, 19. So I'm actually bullish from the 19,000 price range. The volume is still good on the daily, and the divergence is, looks like the selling pressure is dying down. On the X trend here, still bullish. This would be my buy signal. This would be a sell. You can see where my buy and sell signals are on the daily. No signals. Here's my liquidity. We have a weak high here, strong low. So we have a strong low at 25,000. Weak high at 45. I'm going to look for reversals. I don't see any trend reversals anytime soon. So we're looking for the trend. If I'm going to look for the trends, I might as well look for the reversals. I just don't see any reversals. This is the Echo forecast. You can see it looks like we're sideways. We're staying where the liquidity is at, and moving up. So that's on the daily charts. If you guys are liking my content, please give me a like, follow, share, subscribe. You know, we're going over all the financial stuff for Bitcoin. The trends, the analysis, the alerts, the calendar, what's going on with the calendar and the markets. $52-week range, the days range, all our technicals. Our volume is at 67,000. That is our key stat. Average volume for 30 days is 123,000. Risk management. Would be on your orders like such. Protect yourself with like a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. For an example like this, would be a 2-to-1 risk. And this would be your stop loss. This would be your take profit. This is just an example. I'm not going to go live. Last time I went live and did a trade, I forgot to close it. So I'm just going to give you guys an example of how to do a risk management, stop loss, take profit. Only risk a certain percentage of your portfolio, 1 to 2%. Then after I do the daily, I'm really coming down to the hourly. And then I'm really starting to look at the hourly charts for short-term trends and trades. I like looking at the hourly to see the trends. We draw a trend. We could even draw a trend line on here, see what's going on. Just sideways movement. We're just sideways right now, honestly, on the hourly. Drop it down to the 15. Same thing. We're moving in this range from. You can even see the visible range is right through the middle. It's not bullish, and it's just right through the middle, even on the visible. So as we work our way down, just looking for trades, looking for entries, what's going on, price action. But yeah, guys, we're currently sideways. This is just a range trade. So it's like I can't even draw you a trend line in a range. It's more of like we're in one of these areas where it's like our structures, where's the liquidity, support, resistance. We're in more of a support and resistance range right now until we see a break. But we are bullish on the longer term. Short term, it looks a little bearish. But look, this is a better idea of what we're at in a range right now. This would be my example of our range. You see here, these would be your trades right now, just bouncing off. There's not really a trend line. I don't want to say, I could draw a trend and still say the trend is bullish. But I could also come down and say, we can make a pendant, and pendants could go either way. A pendant could go if we break this 40,000, or we could break up I have that at 47. So bullish would be go up to break if we break through this pattern, hit 47, 48,000. Bearish, if we break through this, I'd probably just say right down here where this low is, 40,000. So those are my plays. That's what I'm looking at right now, guys. That's hand drawn. If you would ask me, we have a pendant here. If we break, we're at 48. If we fall, we're at 40. Still bullish. I'm still bullish. We're more in the range right now. This is our range. We have some patterns. We have decent volume, support. The news is good. Just be safe. Don't just be safe out there, guys. I use crypto.com when I make my purchases. I'm a big fan. If you're looking to buy any type of crypto, I really use, besides just Bitcoin, crypto.com is real user friendly. You can send it to any address, no problem. I'll start dropping my links for you guys. I trade on Phoenix. It's a great platform. And I'm also in a algo trade camp where I do a lot of coding. If you guys are interested in anything like that, I'll drop some links. But I appreciate your time. I actually have an alarm going off right now. What is this? If you guys can see, I'll move it over. I just had an alarm go off, so we'll check it out. It's the sell on the D. Let me activate it. Alright guys, so I just got an alarm to sell, to go short. So I'm going to take this trade for you guys. I'm just going to go with my alarm, and I'm going to take this trade short. And we're going to range trade. We're going to go from this range here. I'm just going to go range to range. I'm going to range trade it. Create order. Come on. We're going to go market. You guys can see everything. This is all the action going on right here. My alarms, my orders, boom, I created it. The order is submitted. And that's it, guys. So I just made a live trade for you guys. The alarms went off. And don't forget to close your trades. Alright guys, again, if you like what I got, like, share, follow, subscribe. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is a trade. My alarm did go off. I am trading Bitcoin. You know, this works with any crypto. You can plug it into XRP, Ethereum, anything. It doesn't have to be just Bitcoin. But I'm only making one video at a time. Alright everyone, have a great day. Thank you for your time.